Welcome to the world of Web3. You've probably heard about it, but what exactly is Web3? In simple terms, Web3 is the next generation of the internet, where users regain control over their data, digital assets, and identities through decentralization. But why do we need Web3, and what makes it so revolutionary? Think about how Web2, today's internet, works. Large corporations control most of the web, collecting data and profiting from it. Users create content, share personal information, but don't own any of it. Enter Web3, a decentralized, user-owned internet built on blockchain technology. Instead of relying on centralized platforms, Web3 allows individuals to have control over their digital presence. Web3 brings incredible advantages. First, ownership. Users own their data, content, and assets. Second, transparency. Everything on the blockchain is open and auditable. Third, decentralization. No middlemen, no single points of failure. Lastly, Web3 allows for digital scarcity, which means unique digital assets like NFTs and tokens can be truly owned. Here are some amazing facts about Web3 you may not know. Web3 isn't just limited to finance. It's being used in gaming, social media, and even healthcare. Ethereum, the leading blockchain for Web3 apps, processes over 1 million transactions per day. Decentralized apps, or dApps, already have millions of active users, and this number is growing rapidly. Some Web3 platforms allow creators to earn directly from their fans without intermediaries, revolutionizing the creator economy. So, how can you start learning Web3? First, understand blockchain fundamentals. Study platforms like Ethereum and Solana. Explore dApps and Web3 wallets like MetaMask or Phantom. You can also dive into smart contracts and decentralized finance, or DeFi. There are tons of free resources and communities, such as Crypto Zombies or Ethereum.org, to get you started. Web3 is reshaping the future of the internet, giving us back control over our digital lives. Ready to jump in? Subscribe to our channel to learn more about Web3 and start your journey into the decentralized web today.